At Cerion, we have an internal protocol we call Design for Manufacturing, or DFM, to ensure what is developed at lab scale has a clear path to commercialization. Once a lab scale formula is defined, it is handed off to our development team to assess its robustness and cost effectiveness. They will typically scale the formula to tens of kilograms, what we would call a pilot scale. So our customer can accredit a larger batch to ensure its performance is identical to the lab scale version. This is the most important step in our scale-up process because the formula that comes out of the development team's work is generally straightforward for our manufacturing team to scale to commercial batch sizes. There's still work to be done, but we found that once a formula has been successfully scaled to one of our pilot reactors, the synthetic method, the processing conditions, and robustness are pretty well understood. And at that point, the formula is essentially a direct handoff to our manufacturing team who has significant experience translating pilot reactor formulas to our commercial scale reactors that are capable of manufacturing hundreds of metric tons of nanoparticles per year.